Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Mark II Golf Stories. She's back from the body shop. Let's have a little look around, eh? Okay, so the Mark II GTI is back from the body shop after having the scuttle panel fitted, painted and the roof painted. Now I wasn't going to do this, I've been umming and ahhing about this, but it's not all been plain sailing. As you all know, I had to take the wings and the dashboard off the car to make it a bit easier and a bit cheaper. I'm not going to mention the places involved. When I went to collect the car, I got down there and it was covered in dust. There's a few problems really. It was covered in dust, so I couldn't really see the paint. The drain under the A-pillar was sticking out and it was kinked inside. The central locking wasn't working. They'd misplaced the filler cap and the spring holds it in place. All the interior was up at the front and parts put on the back seat. From the paint looks okay. Every time there's a few imperfections, so it did mean I had to take the car back and get them sanded down and get it buffed out. The rubber's gone. When I collected the car, the sunroof didn't wind back. As you can see the clip which this goes onto and broken, so when I'm winding the sunroof down, it doesn't pull down this side, pulls down that side. Yeah, it doesn't come down, so I've got to push that down myself whenever I do it. A lot of problems, and the attitude I was greeted with when I brought up some of these was, oh, you're nitpicking, we've done all this extra work for you, because yeah, they've repaired extra bits like the sill and the hole underneath. They've repaired that, but they charged for it. I paid for it. It's not like they've done it as a favour. So to be greeted with that sort of attitude of, oh, we've done this extra work and you're nitpicking, I thought was really not cool. But anyway, I left it with them and they sorted everything out. The central locking was working for the most part. That door wasn't locking, but I've now fixed that myself. Where the hole was, I can't see any join on this. It looks really nice. They have done a really good job at fixing it. Thought they might have painted or sorted out the rust on the gutter, but no, I've had to sort of paint that myself really. A little bit of cure rust on it and paint it. I mean, now the job's been done, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Anyway, that's enough of my ranting. The next job is to put the gutter back on. Hopefully it'll be quite easy. I've seen a few people struggle with that. I've got to replace the bung on the wiper delete over here because that's been totally mangled. Yeah, and then I've got to try and fucking sort out a paint job and rest of the car, because the rest of it is fucked now. It looks knackered. Anyway, so that's where we're up to with the GTI. I think it's looking pretty good now. Let us know what you think. Should you have to complain about things to get them done properly? Am I being petty? Am I being a pain in the arse wanting things done like that? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being with me throughout this journey. There's more to do on this car. There's more to do on this car as well. So yeah, I'll catch you later.